explaining what she packed when she had 5 minutes to get ready to go before having to evacuate because the Mexican soldiers were coming during the Texas Revolution.
I'm pretty sure they got more than 5 minutes, Mom.
Yes. But if I gave you more than 5 minutes, you would have packed the entire house.
True. I have my doll because otherwise I might have been bored. She needed an extra pair of clothes. I mean, come on, people.
But you didn't need extra clothes.
No, I don't.
Okay.
Provisions.
Okay, keep going.
Entertainment. Because you can never get bored with this. Warm. Also, if I want to make sure that my notebook doesn't get wet.
Very important.
I still want a pony. Pencils, pens, coloring, you know. Well, not coloring. Adult provisions. I can't be just a kid. I can't just eat all of the kid provisions. Band-aids, because you never know when Peter's going to go and get himself hurt.
Really?
Yes, when I brought the Band-aids, I thought
Okay, continue. Continue.
fidget cube. Many stuffed animals.
You're getting ever closer to make it harder and harder to film.
Blankets for my ponies. And
You really do care about those.
extra blankets for my ponies and my little girl.
What's that blue thing? What's the reason for that?
This, I don't know why. Put my hair
That
up.
was a bad reason.
And my brother's marshmallows.
Wendy, stop touching my food.
Alright, very good.
My hands
So,
are clean.
I guess we would have some interesting provisions, but no water as we evacuated our house in
But
advance
apple
of
cider.
Yes, that we got when we went back to the house. As we evacuate our house from the
We had 5 minutes. If we
Mexican
had
army.
an hour, we would have packed water.
Okay.
No, I will have packed the house. Duh.